Hey YouTube, another weekly hunt through a box of dimes and a box of pennies. Had a beat up box of pennies this week, but that's alright. We're going to look through it. Hopefully there's some silver in that dime box and a whole lot of wheats in that penny box. We'll keep you posted. Alright, got our first wheat penny here. Not sure what the year is. 1955D. Alright, first one. We'll keep looking. Alright, very next roll from that 55D, and got another wheat penny. 57D. Alright, hopefully this is a good box. Alright, I just had that 57. These coins were laying here. I flipped them over. There's another wheat penny. 56D. Alright, I got a 55, 56, 57D. Alright, just got another wheat penny. 46. Alright, oldest one so far. Here we go, another wheat penny.
Okay.
And 46D.
Can I see?
Yeah, flipped over another wheatie. Okay, 1958D. Alright. It's a good box so far.
Coins.
More wheat penny.
Ready?
Alright, here we go.
And two Indian heads.
1951D.
Yo.
So we just found our second foreign coin of the day. It's a 50 lire from 1998, and it's from Italy. And then we also found, can I see that other coin? That one, yeah. In the dimes, I didn't show it. This was actually an ender. It is an Australian penny. So two foreign coins so far. Pretty interesting.
Is that?
Here we go, another wheat penny. One of these will be old, I hope. Let's see what we got. Alright, 1936. They look a little more worn on the back than the last few. 1936. Alright, oldest coin so far. Alright, more wheat. I think, where'd that go? There we go.
It's the size of a penny.
1942D. Alright. Here we go with another wheat penny. Let's see what we got here. 1941. Okay. Here we go. Another wheatie. Let's see. 1957D. Finding a lot of Denver Wheaties from the 50s today. That's alright. Alright, getting down to the end of the box, but got a wheat penny here. This one looks pretty worn. Alright, 1917D. By far the oldest coin today. That's awesome. Pretty clear date, clear mint mark. I'll take it. Hopefully there's a couple more in here. Alright, I've got a pile of opened but unlooked through wheats, and just found a wheat penny, or unopened, open but unsearched pennies, and 1950D. Alright, so here are the finds for today, not including the foreign coins. Got 7 wheat pennies from the 50s, kind of a mix of coins here. 4 from the 40s. I got a 1936 plain wheat penny. And this 1917D. So, love getting the older ones, even if you only get them once in a while. It's always exciting. That coin is almost 100 years old, which is pretty cool. So So thanks for watching. No silver this week, but that's okay. Got a lot of good wheat pennies, and we'll be back next week with another hunt of dimes and pennies and another $50 hunt as well. So thanks for watching. Good luck in your hunts, and keep the videos coming.